Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you guys one of the iPhone or iPad mounts that I just bought from Amazon, and I just installed it, and it's to me it's working really good, unlike the previous one that I have used, or the one that I still currently have right now. Okay, so right now that's the one that I have. It has an outlet where I can just plug it into the you can see, I'll just take it out, put it here. Okay, so it's right there, and when I use this, it's not as good. Okay, so it shakes when I drive on the freeway, and also it's right in the direct of the sunlight, so the phone gets really hot. So this is the new one that I have. Okay, I just recently installed this one right here. As you can see, I don't have the brand right now. I just threw away the box, but I have another one at home, so I'm gonna take some pictures and then I'll list it in there so you guys can see it. But this one, you just to install it, it has like a 3M tape on the back, and then it comes with the alcohol rub. Just make sure you rub the surface nice and clean, and let about maybe 10 or 20, maybe about at least 20 seconds for it to dry. And then you just peel up the 3M tape and you just press against it for, I would say, another about 20 seconds. And then pretty much it. And then on the other one, on the other side of the phone, it comes with the metal. It has two of them. One is like a little bigger rectangular shape, and this one's just a circle. And it goes directly onto this one. And this one you can pivot to however you want it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys, because my phone here, it has the privacy screen protector. So if I move a little bit of angle over here, you can't see it. It has to be directly in front of the phone. So with the pivoting is really good, because I can just make it to the way it looks. I'm going to show you guys here. You can see, put it right there. It's right there. Okay, so this is the perfect where I can search, put in like Google Maps, or like just any kind of map or direction or GPS that you need. Because I do have this car, I do have like the navigations on it, but this is the Lexus 2004 RX 330, and even though I think I updated the maps maybe about 6 years ago or 5 years ago, but still a lot of places it's not listed on there. Just like yesterday, where I took my family to up north to one of the cherry farm, and it's not even in the maps. But with the phone, you will always get the updated maps, and everything is updated. And with this car, I had installed the GTA kit. So as you can see here, that's the microphones. So right now, anytime that I come in I already paired up my phone with the vehicle. I can play music through my phone, and it go throughout the speakers. And even if when I play the navigation, the system is really smart. It will lower the music, and it'll give you direction to the navigation. So, and I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this. I can go back to Amazon account and I can tell you exactly how much I paid, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty cheap, pretty for the price and for the quality. And like right now, I'm not gonna use this anymore. This is just it's junk. So, and if you guys buy this and you guys use this, I was driving it earlier, 80 miles per hour, 70 miles per hour, and it stays still. By the way, you can make this horizontal or vertical, however you want. Okay, so really nice, really neat. Okay, and like I said, it has you can install, if you wanted to install the iPad. I was thinking about putting the iPad 10.9 or 10.7 inch on it, but then that's gonna block up the navigation and my other buttons. So, and for now, I think this here
just it works perfect for me. That's pretty much it for this one right here. Like I said, I'm pretty sure, this is the first, I just installed this morning, and I just took it like for, right now, I'm actually waiting for my mom because I just dropped her off to her doctor's appointment. And I just want to make a quick review for this product, and I can't say enough about this one right here. By the way, this video is not sponsored by the mount. I paid with my own money, and most of the stuff, most of the video that you guys have seen are I just use my own money to pay for the products and just make the review for you guys. But like I said, this product, I really love it. I would recommend it to anybody that wants to have a mount for their phone. It looks like when you drive it, it's really stable. It looks like it's fixed to the car. Even if you go to a high speed over a bump, it doesn't wiggle, it doesn't shake, none of that stuff. Okay, so that's all I want to make this video quick and short. You guys have any questions, leave in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.